Kamusta mga kabasketbolista? Pinataob ng Charlotte Hornets ang Detroit Pistons 108-107. Top performer si Miles Bridges sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 7 rebounds at 2 assists. LaMelo Ball 25 points, 6 rebounds, 8 assists at 2 steals. Brandon Miller 19 points, 6 rebounds at 4 assists. Grant Williams 12 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 2 steals at 1 block. Taj Gibson 7 points, 4 rebounds at 2 blocks. Para sa natalong Detroit Pistons, Jaden Ivey 21 points, 4 rebounds, 5 assists at 1 block. Cade Cunningham 20 points, 10 rebounds at 10 assists. Tobias Harris 14 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Tim Hardaway Jr. 13 points, 3 rebounds at 3 assists. Paul Reed 13 points, 2 rebounds, 2 steals at 1 block. Panalo naman ang Indiana Pacers kontra sa Orlando Magic 118-111. Top performer si Benedict Maturin sa likod na kanyang 20 points, 11 rebounds, 1 assist at 1 steal. Pascal Siakam 17 points, 4 rebounds at 3 assists. Miles Turner 17 points, 10 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 2 blocks. Tyrese Haliburton 17 points, 3 rebounds, 4 assists at 1 steal. Jarris Walker 17 points, 6 rebounds, 2 steals at 1 block. Para naman sa natalong Orlando Magic, Franz Wagner 28 points, 8 rebounds at 6 assists. Jalen Suggs 15 points, 5 rebounds, 6 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Morris Wagner 14 points, 1 rebound, 1 assist, 1 steal. Kentavious Caldwell-Pope 13 points, 5 rebounds, 2 assists at 1 steal. Anthony Black 12 points, 6 assists at 2 steals. Wagi naman ang Atlanta Hawks kontra sa New York Knicks 121-116. Top performer si Zachary Risacher sa likod ng kanyang 33 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals at 2 blocks. Karl Anthony Towns 34 points, 16 rebounds, 1 assist, 1 steal at 3 blocks. Pinataob naman ng Golden State Warriors ang Boston Celtics 118-112. Top performer si Stephen Curry sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 7 rebounds, 9 assists, 4 steals at 1 block. Jason Tatum 32 points, 4 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Tinambakan naman ng Houston Rockets ang San Antonio Spurs 127-100. Top performer si Fred VanVleet sa likod ng kanyang 21 points, 7 rebounds, 10 assists at 2 steals. Victor Wembanyama 15 points, 6 rebounds, 1 steal at 3 blocks. Tinambakan din ng Memphis Grizzlies ang Los Angeles Lakers 131-114. Top performer si Jaren Jackson sa likod ng kanyang 20 points, 6 rebounds, 1 assist at 3 blocks. LeBron James 39 points, 7 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 steal. Huwagi din ang Cleveland Cavaliers kontra sa New Orleans Pelicans 131-122. Top performer si Donovan Mitchell sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 4 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Zion Williamson 29 points, 8 rebounds, 4 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Tinambakan din ng Dallas Mavericks ang Chicago Bulls 119-99. Top performer si Luka Doncic sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 7 rebounds, 13 assists at 4 steals. Nikola Vucevic 14 points, 10 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. Dinaig naman ng Denver Nuggets ang Oklahoma City Thunder 124-122. Top performer si Russell Westbrook sa likod ng kanyang 29 points, 6 rebounds, 6 assists at 1 steal. Jalen Williams 29 points, 10 rebounds, 9 assists at 3 steals. Dinaig naman ng Phoenix Suns ang Miami Heat 115-112. Top performer si Kevin Durant sa likod ng kanyang 32 points, 8 rebounds, 3 assists, 1 steal at 1 block. Tyler Herro 28 points, 3 rebounds at 6 assists. Panalo naman ang Los Angeles Clippers kontra sa Philadelphia 76ers 110-98. Top performer si Norman Powell sa likod ng kanyang 26 points, 1 rebound, 6 assists at 1 steal. Paul George 18 points, 7 rebounds, 2 assists, 3 steals at 1 block. Panalo din ang Sacramento Kings kontra sa Toronto Raptors 122-107. Top performer si DeMar DeRozan sa likod ng kanyang 27 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists at 1 steal. RJ Barrett 23 points, 3 rebounds, 3 assists at 2 steals. Kung bago ka pa lamang sa channel na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto ang team standings ng Eastern Conference as of November 7, 2024. Cleveland Cavaliers 9 wins 0 loss. Boston Celtics 7 wins 2 losses. Indiana Pacers 4 wins 4 losses. Brooklyn Nets 4 wins 4 losses. Atlanta Hawks 4 wins 5 losses. New York Knicks 3 wins 4 losses. Miami Heat 3 wins 4 losses. Chicago Bulls 3 wins 5 losses. Charlotte Hornets 3 wins 5 losses. Orlando Magic 3 wins 6 losses. Detroit Pistons 3 wins 6 losses. Washington Wizards 2 wins 4 losses. Toronto Raptors 2 wins 7 losses. Milwaukee Bucks 1 win 6 losses. Philadelphia 76ers 1 win 6 losses. Kung umabot ka dito sa video na to, mag-like na at subscribe. Heto naman ang team standings ng Western Conference as of November 7, 2024. Phoenix Suns 7 wins 1 loss. Oklahoma City Thunder 7 wins 1 loss. Golden State Warriors 7 wins 1 loss. Houston Rockets 5 wins 3 losses. Dallas Mavericks 5 wins 3 losses. Sacramento Kings 5 wins 3 losses. Denver Nuggets 5 wins 3 losses. Minnesota Timberwolves 4 wins 3 losses. Memphis Grizzlies 5 wins 4 losses. Los Angeles Lakers 4 wins 4 losses. Los Angeles Clippers 4 wins 4 losses. San Antonio Spurs 3 wins 5 losses. Portland Trail Blazers 3 wins 5 losses. New Orleans Pelicans 3 wins 6 losses. Utah Jazz 1 win 6 losses. Heto naman ang mga laro ngayong November 8, 2024 Philippine Time. Maglalaban ang Minnesota Timberwolves at Chicago Bulls alas 9 ng umaga. Maghaharap naman ang Utah Jazz at Milwaukee Bucks alas 9 ng umaga. Magtutos naman ang Portland Trail Blazers at San Antonio Spurs alas 9 ng umaga. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na to, mag-like na at subscribe.